Hi everybody and welcome back to Smart Home Improvement People today. So today I thought I'd do a different story. Okay, and this is basically about what a council is doing in the UK to help improve the properties. Okay, so this is back down in Swindon, and basically what they're going to do is Swindon Council are going to invest £6 million to improve the energy efficiency of 100 of their homes. So, what are they going to do? So, these homes are in Park South, which is somewhere in Swindon. Never been to Swindon personally myself. Been near Swindon, you know, when I've been on my way to go fishing and stuff like that. So, what they're going to do, so, any property with an energy efficiency or an EPC certificate, which is rated D or lower, they're going to do a few things. Okay, so basically they're taking £1.4 million from the government social housing decarbonisation fund. Actually try and pronounce that word properly for once. Okay, to do these particular things. So the things that most people should really think about doing, and if they haven't already done it, the council are pretty stupid, because they're pretty obvious things that most homeowners would go and do. So, they're going to do draft proofing. Okay, stop them cold chills going through and people having to pump their heating up, especially on a day like today. You know, I live on the south coast, so I am a bit away from Swindon, okay, which I think comes under Wiltshire. Okay, I live in Hampshire, and I only live about 5 minutes walk from the water, and I can feel and hear the wind coming straight up and battering my house at the moment. But we have got a bit of a storm as well. So, apart from draft proofing, what else are they going to do? They're also going to replace double glazing, which means they're probably using some double glazing company where they're probably paying stupid prices. They're going to be replacing front and back doors, and they're also going to be putting solar panels on. And I know a lot of people out there are going to complain about solar panels, but the reality is, okay, solar does actually save people a lot of money. So if you take, for instance, the house I live in, okay, now I live in house which is owned by a housing association. I'm not with the council, it's with a housing association. Now we have three solar panels on our roof. Might be 4, but I'm pretty sure it's 3. Don't tend to really look. I know people always used to give that excuse, oh, I don't like the sight of solar panels on your roof. How often do you look on your roof? Okay, so I think we have 3. You know, during the summer months I probably paid about 30, maybe 40 quid in energy bills through the summer. Paid next to nothing. You know, so this is actually a wise idea by the council. And they also, I don't know if they're going to be, well, they probably will be taking some of the money off if it is free solar or something like that. So I don't blame them for doing it, because they'll probably make a few quid as well. So the one thing I can say about to Swindon Council is this is a sensible thing. Not only are you going to be helping the new people that are going to be living there, because you're going to reduce their electricity bills, their gas bills, especially for heating during the winter, you're also going to help your own pockets out. So congratulations for actually getting yourself switched on, but you should have done it a lot sooner as well. Okay, so well done for them. Okay, so let us know, do you think more councils should do this type of thing? Let us know in the comments down below. Okay, but for now, thanks for listening, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.